Hello everyone, welcome to One Stop Solution. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to change password in Tonkeeper. Let's get started. Start by opening Tonkeeper on your device. Tap on the gear icon at the top right. Here, tap on Security. Tap on Change Passcode at the bottom. Enter your current passcode. Now create a new passcode. Re-enter the new code again. And that is how to change password in Tonkeeper. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.